From the Aegean Sea's cerulean coasts to the Spanish coastline's golden sands, the Mediterranean region has always been a place of wonder and romance. Its culinary heritage is no less enchanting. The ancient roots of a timeless cuisine. The Mediterranean diet, with its aromatic ingredients and healthful properties, has its roots deeply embedded in ancient history. The Phoenicians, Greeks, and Romans laid the foundational palette of this diet, emphasizing whole grains, fresh produce, and olive oil. Their age-old recipes, passed down generations, continue to tantalize our modern palates. Health benefits that transcend time and borders. Beyond its delectable flavors, the Mediterranean diet has won accolades from nutritionists and cardiologists alike. Rich in antioxidants, fibers, and healthy fats, it plays an instrumental role in cardiovascular health, weight management, and even mental well-being. The staples, a closer look at the foundation foods. The bulwark of the Mediterranean diet rests on its staple foods. Think of verdant olive groves, sun-drenched vineyards, and fields of golden wheat swaying in the breeze. Olives, wine, and bread form the Holy Trinity, augmented by a pantheon of legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Seasonings of the sun, herbs and spices that make the magic. Rosemary, thyme, and saffron, these aren't just names but rather the lifeblood of Mediterranean cooking. They infuse dishes with flavors that are at once earthy and ethereal. Breathe easy with fresh ingredients. The significance of seasonal produce in Mediterranean cooking. Mediterranean cuisine is a symphony orchestrated by the seasons. The region's emphasis on seasonal produce ensures that every bite is packed with the freshest and most potent flavors. From sun-ripened tomatoes in the summer to hearty squashes in the winter, the rhythm of nature dictates the menu. Why olive oil is more than just a cooking medium. Often dubbed liquid gold, olive oil is the culinary and cultural linchpin of the Mediterranean. Its rich, fruity notes elevate every dish, and its plethora of health benefits, from anti-inflammatory properties to heart health, make it a treasured staple. Lunch, the heart of Mediterranean daily life. While many cultures treat lunch as a mere pit stop, the Mediterranean sees it as a grand affair. The Mediterranean lunch is as much about community as it is about food. Mediterranean salads to satisfy. Beyond Greek, lesser-known salads from around the sea. While the Greek salad is globally revered with its robust feta and juicy olives, the Mediterranean basin hides myriad other salad treasures. Ingredients that elevate a simple salad to a Mediterranean delight. The genius of the Mediterranean salad lies not just in its primary ingredients but in its embellishments. Sun-dried tomatoes, roasted pine nuts, or a drizzle of pomegranate molasses can transfigure a humble bowl of greens into a gourmet experience. Wrap it up, the Mediterranean sandwich. The allure of the pita, how this bread revolutionized quick meals. Pita, with its pocket-like structure, is a revelation in the world of bread. Whether it's the smoky undertones of grilled eggplant, the tang of preserved lemon, or the umami punch of anchovies, these fillings transform the mundane into the magnificent. Balancing grains with proteins for a well-rounded meal. Soups in the Mediterranean diet are not mere starters. Whether clear or thickened, their broths are a testament to the patience and love poured into the cooking process. Gazpacho and beyond, chilled options for warm days. When the Mediterranean sun beats down, its kitchens offer respite in the form of chilled soups. Gazpacho, a cold tomato-based delight, is just the tip of the iceberg, with many more refreshing options lurking below. Small bites with big flavor, tapas and mise. Understanding the concept of shared small dishes. Tapas in Spain, mise in the East, the Mediterranean's approach to appetizers is about sharing and variety. From the velvety texture of hummus to the crunch of falafel, from the zest of tzatziki to the smokiness of baba ganoush, and the surprise of stuffed vine leaves, mise offers a journey for the senses. Hummus, tzatziki, and baba ganoush, the trinity of Mediterranean dips. Dips like hummus, tzatziki, and baba ganoush are not mere afterthoughts but stars in their own right. Place a bowl of any of these dips at the center of your table, surround it with pita, crudité, or grilled meats, and watch as it becomes the focal point of your meal, drawing everyone in for a dip. Tofu and tempeh, modern twists on ancient recipes. While tofu and tempeh might seem worlds apart from traditional Mediterranean ingredients, they seamlessly integrate into its culinary tapestry, offering a modern twist to age-old recipes. Fish and seafood aren't just sources of lean protein but are imbued with cultural and historical significance. Quick and easy seafood recipes for a refreshing lunch. From a simple grilled sardine drizzled with olive oil to a sophisticated bouillabaisse, the Mediterranean seafood repertoire is vast, ensuring there's something to tickle every palate. Herbal drinks and their significance in daily life. Herbal infusions, made from ingredients like mint, sage, or chamomile, are not just beverages but remedies, passed down generations, providing both flavor and healing. Light and refreshing desserts that complement a Mediterranean lunch. While some, like baklava, are rich and decadent, others, like a simple fruit salad sprinkled with orange blossom water, are light and refreshing. The role of fruits, nuts, and honey in traditional sweets. Nature's sweetness, in the form of fruits, nuts, and honey, is central to Mediterranean desserts. Meal prepping the Mediterranean way. The hustle and bustle of modern life might seem at odds with the leisurely Mediterranean lunch, but with a little planning, the two can harmoniously coexist. Meal prepping, the act of preparing dishes or components ahead of time, ensures that even on the busiest of days, a slice of the Mediterranean is just a lunchbox away. Portable lunches that keep the essence of the cuisine alive. Wrap a falafel in a pita, pack some olive tapenade, or carry a jar of layered Greek salad. With a pinch of creativity, the flavors of the Mediterranean can accompany you wherever you go. In essence, the Mediterranean diet is not just about food. It's a window into a way of life, a celebration of community, seasonality, and simplicity. Embracing it is not just a dietary choice but a decision to live a little more fully and flavorfully.